Hi there, I am the online maths tutor and welcome to my latest lockdown maths lesson. Now I've got 4 number puzzles for children aged 6 and upwards. I was given these many years ago by a maths teacher called Duncan Keith, and thanks to him I've used them many times in lessons, often as starters. They'll take maybe between 3 and maybe 15 minutes depending on how your children get to grips with them. If you're interested in online lessons, please contact me on the email. I also do chess lessons for adults and children. So the first one, we have 7 coloured discs, circles, where we are trying to put the numbers 1 to 7 in each circle so that every line adds up to 12. So that's the horizontal lines and the diagonal lines. When you're doing this, I suggest you draw the grid out on with a pen, and use pencil when you're writing the numbers in your circular grid. If you get it wrong, then you can easily rub it out and try again. So that's your first one. The second one, very, very similar. This time you've got a few more circles and a few more digits to worry about. The numbers 1 to 11. Can you put them in the circle so that every line has the same total? Okay, this time you're not given what the total is. Actually, that is a little bit easier potentially. The third one is a pretty famous one, the old magic square. This is a 3 by 3 square and you're trying to put the digits 1 to 9 in it so that every row, column and diagonal add up to 15. There is an example underneath that doesn't work. As you can see, the top line 1, 3 and 5 makes 9, and already we've gone wrong. This can be easily extended. You can go to 4 by 4 grids where you're going to put the numbers 1 to 16. However, that is a lot harder than this one, but good extension for somebody who finds this one easy. And finally, number pyramids. I use number pyramids a lot. Can you work out what number will be at the top of the pyramid? Hopefully fairly straightforward, that first part. And then the second part, when you realize what you need to do, can you make a pyramid with 100 at the top? Now you can change this number as well. So if they get 100, you can set them other targets. They can choose the numbers on the bottom. If you really want to stretch them, you might want to think about putting a negative number as an answer at the top and see whether they can do that. Anyway, 4 puzzles to be getting on with, and hopefully they will be useful for you during this really difficult time. Thanks for watching, and I'll be online very soon.